In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to analyze a dataset about customer purchases. Whether you're new to data science or looking to streamline your workflow, these steps will guide you through the entire process, from initial setup to creating predictive models. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access ChatGPT by going to chatopenai.com. Once there, sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Signing in is a straightforward process and will get you ready for the analysis ahead. Once signed in, it's important to start with a fresh slate. Click on New Chat to set the stage for your analysis. Having a new chat window will help you focus and organize your analysis without interference from prior conversations. It's like having a clean workspace, essential for maintaining clarity and focus. Next, you'll need to prompt ChatGPT effectively. Try using an example like, "You are an expert data scientist. Help me analyze a data set about customer purchases. Suggest which metrics to explore. Write Python code for pandas, and explain each step clearly." This prompt is specifically designed to encourage ChatGPT to provide detailed and comprehensive assistance. With the initial setup complete, it's time to delve into exploring and cleaning your data. A good starting point is to ask ChatGPT how to load a CSV file with pandas. This involves using the Pandas library, a highly popular tool in data analysis. Loading your data is the first step towards understanding the structure and quality of your data set. Once your data is loaded, seek guidance on handling missing values. Missing data can obscure analysis, so addressing it early on is crucial. ChatGPT can suggest common strategies such as filling, dropping, or imputing missing values, ensuring your data set is as complete as possible. Now, you're ready to perform your analysis. Ask ChatGPT to generate charts or summaries to visualize your data better. Creating a histogram of purchase amounts can reveal key spending patterns. You might also want to calculate the average spend by different customer segments. These analyses will provide deeper insights into customer behavior and trends, forming a solid base for further exploration. The final step involves building predictive models. When you feel prepared, ask ChatGPT to write scikit-learn code for a simple regression model. Scikit-learn is another superb library that's widely used for creating predictive models in Python. ChatGPT will explain how to evaluate your model's accuracy using R2, a statistic that indicates how well the model fits your data. Understanding R2 is essential for gauging the effectiveness of your predictive model and identifying areas for improvement. By following these structured steps, you will be well on your way to harnessing the power of AI through ChatGPT for comprehensive data analysis. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps as you gain confidence and skills in your data science journey. Happy analyzing!